Hey guys, and welcome to Daintree JD. On this one here we're going to have a bit of a look at starting your four-stroke engine without the electric start component. Battery went dead and it's a good time to practice hand starting and getting yourself in tune with this. If you like this kind of video, remember to like, subscribe, and do me a favour, leave a comment. Got to get some fuel into this down here too, guys, so pump that through. I try and start the boat motor as often as I can, but it's not always the case. This needs to be pumped from the inside so we can get a bit more fuel in here. Alright, so I'm out here with my son and nephew. The battery's flat on the boat, so we're going to pull start it. We've taken off the top cover already. That sits over the engine. It's a four-stroke. This is the top cover. It sits like so. Good to inspect every now and then anyway, and I don't mind hand starting it just to see how that goes and keep yourself in, I suppose, keep yourself in the game and know how to actually do it, you know. You can see there's a little slot there for that. Hook the rope in here. This cord, by the way, is actually found in the helmet. So you wrap that around and go around twice. Yep, wrap it around, it'll go around twice. Now, the good part about this is you can pull it from here, but I'm going to get Lucas to pull it from the boat here. Here you go, Lucas. You hold on to that. We'll wait till we got the water running.
Yep.
And wait till I'm hopped down.
So, do I need to let this go?
No, it'll come straight off. It'll pull straight. The whole thing will be pulled off.
Yep.
Okay, so when you're ready. So do it again. Make sure your ignition's on there, guys. I've got some wires to tidy up here, but the ignition's fully on, so if you look at that, off, they actually got to be fully on, so it forms that connection. Okay, so pull it right off, yep. Alright, Lucas, kick it over.
Yep.
Go again. Okay.
Scared me. I reckon we need a proper solar panel too, or a new one to actually keep them charged. I mean, as soon as this thing's fully finished though, we'll use it all the time. Yep.
As soon as you sing the chorus of that song, something good happen. Come get a shower.
Thanks, fellas.
No problem.
Well, she's up and running now. Took a few pulls though. I think that was probably around 10 pulls. Kicked that over by hand. But you do need that power source attached to actually give it you do need that power source attached. And I've just got a little starter here to give it power to work the actual electronic fuel injection, because it's electronic injected. Alright, so while I've got the power source on, I'm going to disconnect this here and it'll click off because there's not enough power in the battery, the main battery. Yep. I'm going to see how it starts first thing. Let's see how she kicks over once she's actually had a bit of a run.
Yes.
I'm going to kick it over once it's been started. Fuel's warm through it, it's warm. Batteries hooked up. Hey, sorry for the poor audio there, guys. I'm talking about the smart jump starter. So we have a Daihatsu auxiliary, but we're going to use my son's Mercury 4-stroke 4 horsepower as the auxiliary on this boat now, and we'll see how we go. We're not too far off getting it back in the water. Bit of cleaning to do. As you can see, I've got a bit of mould here, which I don't like. A bit of mould here, and needs a bit of a clean up. The boys are talking about catching Spanish mackerel on the reef, and yeah, we can't wait to get out again. Well, tubers, thanks for watching. Here are some of the pics from last trip out. Some mackerel here, trout and lightning snapper. They're some of my favourite fish. But thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next edition here.